We are Gosia and Wiesiek Chałupnik from Poland, and we live in Warsaw for many years now. And today we are really thankful for nature. It's November, usually the gloomiest month of the year, but today it's sunny. Yes, in Poland. But today it's so sunny and so beautiful because all the fall colors can still be enjoyed, and we know that these are the last days of these colors, so especially we are grateful for this change of seasons and how with nature in general we can see God's hand in this world, how He has created this with great wisdom and imagination. For instance, I love all the little birds, and everyone is different, every feather is different, and God looked into every little detail. So this shows me His imagination, but also His great wisdom in how He has created all the creatures, all this world of plants, and and the whole universe. Though I haven't been in on the moon or whatever, but whatever we can see, we also see His power. And to me, it's easy to worship God in nature. It helps me when I go out in the forest or in the park and just think about Him as God, our Creator.
This time, this year, is amazing because when we going in couple of days to Żywiec, we will be seeing beautiful colors, like God was painting every tree in different way, like from still green, some trees still will be green, going through yellow, through brown, up to almost dark leaves, and it's beautiful when you want to look at the mountain and you can see how big God is, how created, wonderful all what is surrounding us. And we are really thankful God for showing us how great He is through nature.
And please share with us how you are thankful today for nature as well. So below you can write your comments.